Vechain, Vet, is a stage that utilization circulated record innovation to make it simpler for retailers and purchasers to decide the quality and validness of items. Position 34th on CoinMarketCap, Vechain, Vet, presently holds an all-out market cap of $387 million United States dollars. All in all, what are the expectations for Vechain, Vet costs in 2022? Will this crypto be bullish or negative in 2022? How about we keep on seeing what the specialists say in this video? Vet news and updates. Vechain overhauled its agreement instrument to POA 2.0. This will speed up and limit of the Vechain blockchain. Vechain is dealing with applications going from IVF to oncology to immunization records. This may be the critical job in getting the security of medical care information. Vet cost stayed steady at around $0.0225 over the primary 7-day stretch of July, as per CoinMarketCap. What is Vechain, Vet? Vechain, Vet, is a blockchain-based stage that further develops Tor network the board processes. By utilizing sealed innovation and dispersed record, Vechain empowers retailers and buyers to decide the quality and legitimacy of bought items. From item source materials, administration history, new parts, and any data about the production network development can be recorded and checked to make a protected production network the board biological system for all clients. Established in 2015 by Sunny Liu, the undertaking's vision is to construct a trusted and dispersed business environment stage. Vechain permits straightforward data stream, proficient coordinated effort, and rapid worth exchange. Likewise, the Vechain, Vet, stage utilizes two tokens, Vet and VTHO. Vet produces VTHO and goes about as a store of significant worth and a vehicle of significant worth exchange. In the interim, VTHO is utilized to pay the gas expense, isolating the need to give Vet while compassing information. Vechain price movement throughout 2020 and 2021. Vechain began 2020 with a worth of $0.013 United States dollars. In any case, the cost is going somewhere around $0.0016 United States dollars in March 2020. In July 2020, the Vet cost expanded and shut 2020 at around $0.018 United States dollars. In 2021, Vet costs proceeded to rise and set an unequaled high on 17 April at $0.2782 United States dollars. For the week, on 10 April 2021, Vet was all the while exchanging at the degree of $0.134 United States dollars. In any case, the Vechain cost increment was trailed by a reduction of $0.19 United States dollars. On 23 May 2021, the worth was at $0.0756 United States dollars. The Vet cost consequently united and exchanged from $0.06 United States dollars to $0.09 United States dollars. On 7 August 2021, the value rose to $0.103 United States dollars and came to $0.156 United States dollars on 6 September 2021. The assembly was brief, and the pattern switched when the value dropped to $0.0864 United States dollars on 29 September 2021. At the hour of compassing, the ongoing cost of one Vechain, Vet, is $0.052 United States dollars. Vechain, Vet, price prediction in 2022 according to experts. On March 29, the calculation-based cost expectation administration Wallet Investor expressed that the Vet cost all through 2022 had a positive pattern. In light of authentic information, experts make forecasts that Vet will ascend to $0.096 United States dollars in something like 1 year and reach $0.17 United States dollars in 5 years or less. Digital coin price additionally upholds Vet's bullish expectation, saying that the token could develop to $0.095 United States dollars in 2022, $0.14 United States dollars in 2025, and reach $0.24 United States dollars in 2028. That's what Conquora said. Assuming this bullish pattern proceeds, the Vechain, Vet cost will reach $0.12 United States dollars toward the finish of 2022. Then, at that point, this increment will dial back, yet there will be no critical drop. Later on, for certain organizations and improvements, specialists are hopeful that the VET cost will reach 0.2 United States dollars. What is Vechain, VET? Vechain, VET, is a flexible undertaking grade 1 lira brilliant agreement stage. Vechain started in 2015 as a private consortium chain, working with a large group of undertakings to investigate uses of blockchain. Vechain would start their change to public blockchain in 2017 with the ERC20 token VEN, prior to sending off their very own mainnet in 2018, utilizing the ticker VET. Vechain intends to utilize dispersed administration and Internet of Things (IoT) advancements to make an environment which tackles significant information obstacles for numerous worldwide businesses, from clinical to energy, food and refreshment, to manageability and SDG objectives. By utilizing the force of trustless information, Vechain is building the advanced spine that will support the fourth modern transformation, which requests ongoing and trustless information dividing among numerous members. The stage utilizes two tokens, VET and VTHO, to oversee and make esteem in light of its Vechain public blockchain. VET produces VTHO and goes about as the store of endlessly esteem move medium. VTHO is utilized to pay for gas costs, isolating the need to consume VET while compassing information. This has the extra advantage of guaranteeing expenses of utilizing the organization can be kept stable by tweaking specific factors, for example, how much VTHO expected to support an exchange, or by expanding the VTHO generation rate. Such activities initially require all partner local area votes. Vechain has had the option to show hugely helped effectiveness, detectability and straightforwardness across information trails, supply chains and inside clever sorts of environments, for example, those in San Marino focusing on UN SDGs, among others. Who are the founders of Vechain, VET? Vechain is the result of maker and fellow benefactor Sonny Liu, and its leader who was previously CIO of Louis Vuitton China. Liu has since turned into a notable name inside the digital currency industry. He has caused to notice the capacity of blockchain innovation to settle straightforwardness specifically, contending that it can make sans trust endeavor business structures that don't experience the ill effects of data debasement on account of close working coordinated efforts with key examining confirmation specialists, for example, PricewaterhouseCoopers and DNV, who check information quality and ensure modern cycles. Individual Prime supporter Jay Zhang, who coordinates Vechain's worldwide corporate design, administration and monetary administration, recently worked for both Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in the Money and Chance administration circle. Having initially started life in 2015, Vechain is one of the most seasoned devoted shrewd agreement stages available, with reflected renown among big business clients. What makes Vechain, VET, unique? Vechain exists to disturb customary plans of action and is most popular for its work in production network, an industry that has changed minimal threat.